Hello everyone, today I am solving another question of GATE Math 2022. In this question, let T be a Mobius transformation such that T of 0 is equal to alpha, T of alpha is equal to 0 and T of infinity is equal to minus alpha, where alpha is equal to minus 1 plus I by under root 2. Let L denote the straight line passing through the origin with slope minus 1, and let C denote the circle of unit radius centered at the origin. Then which of the following statements are true? Option A, T inverse maps C to a circle. Option B, T maps L to a circle. Option C, T maps L to a straight line. Option D, T inverse maps C to a straight line. Now, given that T of 0 is equal to alpha, T of alpha is equal to 0 and T of infinity is equal to minus alpha, where W1 is equal to alpha, W2 is equal to 0 and W3 is equal to minus alpha, Z1 is equal to 0, Z2 is equal to alpha and Z3 is equal to infinity, where alpha is equal to minus 1 plus I by under root 2. And second is L denote the straight line passing through the origin with slope minus 1, and third is C denote the circle of unit radius centered as the origin, that is mod of Z is equal to 1 or x square plus y square is equal to 1. Now we have T of Z is equal to W, and the Mobius transformation is W minus W1 into W2 minus W3 about W2 minus W1 into W3 minus W is equal to Z minus Z1 into Z2 minus Z3 upon Z2 minus Z1 into Z3 minus Z, given that Z3 is equal to infinity. Hence we have W minus W1 into W2 minus W3 upon W2 minus W1 into W3 minus W is equal to minus 1 into Z minus Z1 upon Z2 minus Z1, implies that put all values, we have Z is equal to alpha into W minus alpha upon W plus alpha, implies that T inverse W is equal to minus alpha W minus alpha upon W plus alpha. Now taking mod on both sides in equation second, we have mod Z is equal to mod minus alpha into W minus alpha upon W plus alpha is equal to 1. Solve this and we get mod of W minus alpha is equal to mod of W plus alpha, which is the equation of straight line. Hence by third, T inverse maps C to a straight line. Hence option D is correct. Now from equation second, we have Z is equal to minus alpha into W minus alpha upon W plus alpha. Solve this and we get T of Z is equal to minus alpha into Z minus alpha upon Z plus alpha. Now given that L denote the straight line passing through the origin with slope minus 1, that is m is equal to minus 1, such that the equation of line is y is equal to minus x. Now in equation 5, z is equal to x plus iy, put y is equal to minus x and we get z is equal to x into 1 minus I. Therefore T of x into 1 minus I is equal to minus alpha into x into 1 minus I minus alpha upon x into 1 minus I plus alpha. Solve this and we get T of x into 1 minus I is equal to minus alpha into under root 2 x plus 1 upon under root 2 into x minus 1. Let under root 2 x plus 1 upon under root 2 x minus 1 is equal to x dash. Then we have T of x minus ix is equal to minus alpha into x dash. Now put the value of alpha and we get T of x minus ix is equal to x dash upon under root 2 minus x dash upon under root 2 into I. Now put x is equal to x dash upon under root 2, then we have y is equal to minus x dash upon under root 2 because the line equation with slope -1 is y equal to -x, and we get t of x plus iy equal to x plus iy. Hence, it is clear by above result, transformation T maps L to a straight line with slope -1. Hence, option C is correct. Hence, option C and D are correct. Thank you.